Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw one of my favorite characters, and that is the Predator. Now we're going to draw him without his mask, so he is a little freaky looking, but I still think it's going to be a lot of cool detail that we can draw. So to begin with this, we're going to start with the eyebrows. So right here, you just want to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go up and down like this. Leave a little bit of space, and then do the same thing. Down, up, and kind of curve over. And it's okay if they're not the same size. Now for the eye, you want to make a circle shape. And on this next one, I'm actually going to draw it kind of hidden a little bit by the eyebrow. Then inside of here, I'm going to draw a circle for the pupil, and I'm going to leave like a little chunk of it open just for a little bit of like a reflection. And then I'll do the same thing over here. Just leave a little bit of it open. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line. This is just going to kind of be a broken line that's going to curve around here, and then one that's going to curve right around there. And then I'm going to jump up here by the eyebrow, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go up and down. And then same thing here, just kind of make it go up and down. Then right across here, I'm going to add some quick little lines right around there for some wrinkles. And then right here, we want to start on his mouth. Now his mouth is kind of crazy. So I'm going to begin by making a little wavy line like this. Kind of looks like a nose. And then I'm going to go down and up. And when I get to here, I'm going to curve this down to a point and then curve it up like this. Then I'm going to go up here. I'm going to draw a line. And this time I'm going to add a little curve. Then I'm going to make another one of those little kind of pointy shapes. Now I'm going to add a couple little curved lines right around it. Same thing over here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to curve up and around. Same thing here, down. It's going to curve up and around. Next, make a couple little curved lines, and then one that connects it right to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw two little lines that go down. And then I'm going to add some little pointed teeth. They're going to be pointing on top and then curved at the bottom. Going to add a couple little lines right around it. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves in, and then one right here that curves in. Then right here, draw a line that goes up. It's going to curve around. And then this one I'm actually going to bring in and then curve around. I'll add a couple quick little lines right around here. Then a little line that goes down, and another little line that goes down. Now right here, we're going to draw a line that goes in. It's going to go up, down, it's going to curve around, come in. And then we're going to curve up here, and then just curve right around here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that curves down here and a little line that curves here. And then I'll add a couple more kind of different lengths just to kind of make it look like it's kind of stretching around there. You can draw some that go up too. And then I'm going to draw a little line that curves back and then one right here. Next, what we want to do is we want to add some more of the face onto here. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve up, and then another one that's going to curve up here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then in. Then I'll do the same thing here. We'll just kind of repeat the same things on the other side. Then I'm going to make another one. It's going to go out and in. One right here goes out and in. I'll do another one right here. I'm going to kind of bring it in just a little bit. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line. It's going to kind of curve up and then down. They usually have a really tall head. Now, they have these kind of crazy, almost like tentacle kind of dreadlock shapes coming out of them. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a little line that comes to a point and goes back in. Another one here, and then we'll do the kind of the same things over here. Just kind of add a few of these. Another one over here. And then next, they're going to have some kind of really big ones coming down. So we're just going to kind of start them in some random spots here. Kind of jump over this. And I'm just going to kind of go down, kind of come to a point, and then curve up. And then we'll just add some more. We'll have another one that kind of comes down to here. I'll add another one that goes down, and it's going to come up. We'll add some that just kind of curve down so they look like they're behind them. And then when we get up here, we just want to make some kind of different size little bumps. And this just kind of shows that there are a bunch of them kind of around the top that we can't see because they're hidden. And then I'm going to come to here and I'm just going to draw a few more. We're going to go down, kind of come to a point and up. And then we'll make some more go around here. Make them go down and up. Make some kind of run right into here. And then we'll add a bunch of them all over the place. Just kind of right around there. Now, we want to make his neck. Now, when you make the neck of the predator, he's got like this kind of crazy little design on it. So you want to start here, draw a line that curves down. Then it's going to come up like this. And then it's going to have these really, really kind of skinny little lines. They're just going to kind of go all the way across here. So I like to do a lot of little broken lines. And we're just going to make these go all the way across, go right behind the chin too. Kind of fill in some of the lines right in here. Now, the predators usually wear a lot of armor. They have a lot of different things on them, but some of them don't wear much armor at all. So I want to start right over here, and I'm just going to add just a little bit of detail. So starting right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down. It's going to curve over like this, and then it's just going to come up and then over. Then I'll make another one that just kind of goes down and over here. And then one that goes down right there. Then I'm going to add another little dreadlock right in there. And then over here, I'm just going to add a little line that just kind of goes down and in. It's going to come up. Another one that kind of does the same thing. Then we'll make two little curved lines right across here so it looks kind of like a strap. And then they're going to have like some netting that kind of goes around their body. So we're just going to kind of add some little diagonal lines right across here. And then we're going to make them go all the way to the bottom. We'll add a couple more here. And then we'll add some that just go right across here and kind of line them up best you can at the bottom. Now, the predators also have a little kind of plasma cannon that just sits on their shoulder. So I'm not going to go like too crazy with details on it. I'm going to make it kind of come out from behind here. So I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. Then I'm going to just kind of curve it up. And then we're going to just kind of bring it right back up to here. We'll add a little line that goes down and kind of connects to there. Little line that goes out. It's going to curve kind of at an angle and then come up. Nice tall oval right there. Little line that goes down to here. Then we'll add a little curved line in there. Then we can just kind of come in here and add some details, a little curved line, kind of bring it up just to kind of follow some of the detail, kind of curve this around here. Add another little line here. A little curved line right there. Add a couple little detail lines right around here just to make it look a little more realistic. Then right over here, I'm going to add a little line that just kind of goes down and up. Or it curves down up like this. And add a little line here, just kind of finish off the shoulders. And then I'll add a little more of like that netting right there. And then we'll just kind of add a few little extra lines all over here, just to make some details on some of this. Now we just want to add some details onto the head of our predator. So up here, I'm just going to add some little kind of broken lines right along the top of the head here. I'm going to add some little lines and just kind of curve right around here and along the top. We'll add a couple little extra lines here. They have a lot of little lines right around the eyes. So I'm going to draw a lot of little kind of wrinkle lines right along here. A lot of little ones in here, a couple little lines right there. Put some little detail lines on these little claw teeth here. Put some little lines on here. Some little lines right around there. And then they also have some of these little kind of spikes on their eyes. So I'm going to add some of these little spike details kind of right around there. Add some extra little details all over here. And they also have these little kind of rings right on top of some of their dreadlocks. So I'm going to add a few of these little rings up here on some different spots. And there you go. There is your drawing of the predator face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.